Hi viewers, welcome to Spardha Guru. Let's discuss articles concept number 2. When to use indefinite article A. It depends on the pronunciation of the word and these are the rules to use article A. Rule number 1. A word beginning with a letter which has a consonant sound. Example, a man, a book. Here, man and book gives the consonant sound. Rule number 2. A word that begins with the letter O with the sound V. Example, a 1 rupee coin. Here, the word one begins with letter O and gives the sound V. Rule number 3. A word beginning with the U or EU and giving the consonant sound U. Example, a university and a European. So here, word begins with U and EU and giving the consonant sound U. So these are the conditions to use article A. Thank you.